Dr. Deborah Birx, part of the White House Coronavirus Task Force, is in Kansas City, Kansas, and she says coronavirus cases are rising too quickly in the state. She participated in a roundtable discussion with the governor and health officials. KMBC 9's Bianca Beltran is live in KCK to explain what Dr. Birx says specifically should be done to slow the spread. Bianca?
Well, Emily, some of those recommendations are already in place in some areas of Kansas, but she says she'd like to see more communities take part. Warning that Kansas is close to approaching the red zone in coronavirus test positivity, meaning more than 10% of test results come back positive, Dr. Birx said state and local leaders need to do more to stop the spread of the virus.
This is the moment to get it under control. Wear masks, close bars, decrease indoor dining, increase outdoor dining. Really, every single person needs to commit to not having parties and family gatherings that are going to spread this virus.
She's traveling the Midwest, speaking with leaders, pointing to the South as an example where asymptomatic spread led to people being hospitalized with COVID-19.
Their hospitals in these rural communities quickly were full. And that's what we're trying to prevent here in the heartland. This is a moment that if we change our behavior, there's a clear path forward to have a different outcome for Kansas.
Dr. Birx says slowing community spread should take priority as states plan to reopen.
If we want to have everything working in football and schools, we need to get the community spread of this virus down.
And when asked what the White House guidance is from mask mandates to school reopening, she said that in many cases it should come down to state and local leaders based on the data from local public health officials. Reporting live in Kansas City, Kansas, I'm Bianca Beltran, KMBC 9 News.
Well, health officials in Kansas City, Missouri agree that one source of the spike in COVID-19 cases are crowds of young adults without masks. This is recent video from the Power and Light District. Outdoor venues there do not have a mask requirement, but Kansas City Mayor Quinton Lucas says we still need to be vigilant. He's already extended the state of emergency in Kansas City until January.
The assumption is that that's bars and restaurants and others, but I continue to be concerned, and I know the health department is, with informal spread at house parties.
Mayor Lucas says he's also looking at putting more seating limits in place at Kansas City businesses. And here's a reminder about other mask orders in our area. Orders in Jackson County and Platte County remain in effect until further notice. Right now, Clay County's order runs through August 23rd. Kansas Governor Laura Kelly issued a statewide mask mandate in June. Most counties in our area adopted it. Here's a look now at the coronavirus numbers on both sides of the state line. Missouri is reporting more than 1,100 new cases since Friday. Yesterday, Kansas reported 1,300 new cases since Wednesday. This is the 7-day moving average of the positivity rate. It's one of the best ways to track the spread of the virus. Kansas is up to 12.2% positivity. Missouri is up a little bit to 10.7%. The national average is at 7%.